What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Stocks here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Intel corporations, and with the look of things right here, we could see the likes of Intel corporations, Micron, and SanDisk has been down massively. In fact, they've been down 11% the past 48 hours. So without wasting much of your time, we shall be diving straight into the chart, because obviously if you watched my previous video on Intel corporations, you definitely know that I was very much bearish on Intel corporation and the stock as a whole, because I made it known to us that apart from this AI move, this AI narrative going on, the moment the S&P 500 starts breaking below support, we are most likely going to see the stock market obviously dumping. And with the look of things right here, it is obvious that we are most likely going to be heading even much lower for Intel corporation, because if you watch my previous video, this was definitely how I analyzed it. I made it known to us that we are actually at a level of support right here at $105, and the moment we break below $105.40, we are most likely going to be dumping much lower, and you could see it clearly. This is definitely what is happening. So I would say for stocks, I really can't say if we mostly get retest on stocks, retest and confirmations, just like I said, but I do not actually think that that happens with stocks. But with the look of things, I do know for a fact that without any stress, if we just end up probably retesting this area at $105, or we could probably rally all the way to $111, who knows. But I do know for a fact that $106 or $5 is definitely the level we need to be retesting before we dump all the way down here to $72. Now, is $72 going to be a great place to buy Intel corporation? I would say for long term, if you wish to start dollar cost averaging, yes, $72 is not actually a bad level to start accumulating. So for where you want to start accumulating, $72 is not looking bad. And at the news right here, I can see that right here that Friday stock market action might have made for a shortening of memories. It is no fun to see Micron shares, Intel corporations, and majority of these projects dumping massively. So in terms of this whole stuff, I think I need to look for the Intel corporation news that I saw. So I can't really find any much news for Intel corporations, honestly, for now. So without wasting much of your time, I would say this will probably be probably close to the end of this video. I'll definitely update us if anything new happens, but right now nothing much to know other than the fact that the whole situation right now is about war, and obviously the war is definitely putting a lot of pressure in the market for stocks to also go down, this regardless of the whole AI stuff. And we could see crude oil is also looking bearish, especially given the fact that we've broken below major support right here from this trend line at $93.60. So you could see the level. We'll have to know, okay, if this is the moment of truth for crude oil is if we end up seeing a break below $85.50. If we break below this level, then maybe stocks can rally. But the moment we find strength from $85.40, we are most likely going to see stocks dumping even much lower. So I think it's best we keep an eye on the crude oil next week to see how things will play out. So yeah, without wasting much of your time, if you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends. Guys, have a wonderful day, wonderful weekend. Peace out, guys. I'll be here next week with another one.